What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we're going to be going over why Baby Doge is about to break out very soon. So anyways, hit that like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Let's get straight to it though. So as you can see here with Baby Doge, we had a really nice pump coming all the way up here from the 23rd all the way up here to this 33 area. So yeah, that was a really nice pump for Baby Doge. So what we're actually seeing now is Baby Doge slowly but surely trending back down to this area. We have so much demand in this area from about 3.0 all the way down here to about 2.780, not even down to the complete bottom of 2.7, just from 3.0 to 2.780. So that is actually a pretty good area for Baby Doge to pull back to. We're probably going to see it pull back around there. Now, remember, this is the 4-hour chart. This is pretty much the long-term chart here. So going over here to the 15M chart, you can actually see what Baby Doge is doing in not real time, but, inside of almost real time. So slowly but surely, Baby Doge is trending down to one of these areas here. And it'll more than likely stop around 29.50 down to about 29.10. So that's probably where we're going to see Baby Doge get here. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and mark this right here. This is 29.10 or 29.50 through 29.10. So you're going to see Baby Doge pull back to these areas here. So that's what we're going to see inside the near term for Baby Doge. Now, there is always the possibility of Baby Doge pumping all the way up to this next area of less demand, pretty much our next resistance area. And that is right up here. But we did get rejected up here before. We got rejected up here, right over here on the pretty much earlier today. We got rejected, but Baby Doge still has the possibility to try to get here. If we get rejected again at 3.260, then like I said again, we will end up pulling down here to this 2.9 area, about 2.950 to 2.910. So I'm gonna continue to go over the technicals here, but I want to show you a few things on why Baby Doge is probably about to break out very soon. But yeah, we got a lot going on for Baby Doge here. So over here, you can see we got 1.86K new holders today, 11.69 trillion coins burned today, and then over here our trading volume at 20.3 million. We were all the way down to 7 million trading volume, and now we're back up here to 20.3 million. So yeah, we got a lot going on here for Baby Doge. Now there's also a lot of big stuff forming up here inside of Baby Doge. So 48K tweets here on Twitter, and this was caught by Jackie for Baby Doge, the graphics designer for Baby Doge. So big shout out to Jackie. So this is really big for us. Like, this is huge. Literally, we're right under Bitcoin, just trending here. But not only are we trending there, look over here. Baby Doge just now flipped Dogecoin to be the most traded token among the top 1,000 Binance Smart Chain whales. So yeah, the top 1,000 Binance Smart Chain whales, and Baby Doge is now above Doge for that. That's really big. Like, this is huge. So yeah, this is just another thing that is helping Baby Doge grow. Just the fact that we're literally on the top for Binance Smart Chain whales. So literally all Binance Smart Chain whales, the top 1,000 whales, are trading Baby Doge way more than they're trading Doge. Baby Doge is the most traded token amongst Binance Smart Chain whales. Let me say that again. Baby Dogecoin is the most traded token amongst the top 1,000 Binance Smart Chain whales. That is huge, literally. And a few days ago, we were going over these billionaires literally trading Baby Doge. Billionaire bought about 200K worth of Baby Doge yesterday. Watch my video from yesterday. And yeah, I made 2 of them yesterday. So there was a lot going on there. This Baby Doge whale has $3 million. All of their money is inside of Baby Doge. Literally, their whole $3 million is chilling inside Baby Doge. Nothing but purchases. Literally, all they're doing is buying more and more Baby Doge. They know exactly what's about to happen here. $3 million, they're probably about to go all the way up to about 30 million, possibly even 300 million. Like, there's a lot of different whales doubling down on this. So this whale had bought 18.88 trillion, and that's 59.34K. So we got a lot of other whales doing stuff as well. This whale doesn't matter. That's just a small little sale. But yeah, we got this whale over here, 2.85 trillion just purchased, 8.97K inside of Baby Doge just now purchased from this whale. And you can see over here, this whale is kind of doing the same thing. This whale is doubling down. Yeah, you do see there are a bunch of sales here, but they're really not significant sales compared to the purchase that I just did, 2.85 trillion, 8.97K. Yeah, there's a lot going on here with Baby Doge. So the next whales is over here, 16.19K whale. So yeah, this whale over here just now purchased a lot. This is the billionaire whale that we were talking about. They're now down to 995 million because I guess they probably sold and took some money out, but they're down to 995 million dollars here. And they got Binance Peg Bitcoin, Ethereum, BUSD, Polkadot, Binance Peg Polkadot, all that other stuff. And what do they have here? Still baby Dogecoin, $1.6 million worth of baby Dogecoin in this billionaire's wallet. 16.19 trillion just now purchased from this whale. That's 50.88K. All of these large purchases they're pretty much going to help baby Doge grow like a lot immensely. And yeah, we do every now and then have some big sales like this, but they don't outweigh the buys because like this whale only has $932,000 in baby Doge. They can only sell but so much baby Doge compared to the millionaires that we just now went over. And look, this was their first sale inside of 53 days, or not even inside 53 days, because these are all purchases. This is probably their first sale over here since 64 days. 64 days ago, they sold 42.3 trillion baby Doge. But this is their first sale since then. And then before that, 145 days. So they're probably not even planning to sell much baby Doge right now. So yeah, this is pretty significant that they're not just dumping baby Doge. They probably just needed a little bit of money for some bills or something. I don't know. We all got bills to pay. But yeah, these sales are not as significant as all our buys. We got more baby Dogecoin whales buying more baby Doge. 11.59 trillion purchased here with the baby Doge. This one has some, and this whale has some rise, some bit rise. And then they got over here Safe Moon, Elongate, and then they got baby Doge, $234,000 worth of baby Doge right here. That's pretty significant. That's a lot of money right there for baby Doge. So yeah, we got a lot of these whales doubling down, buying more baby Doge. We cannot ignore the fact that there's money flowing into baby Doge, smart money, like money from billionaires literally flowing in to baby Doge. So we're about to see a lot happening for baby Doge here. And remember, we're also getting this manual burn on the 1st of April. So definitely prepare for that as well. We're getting those manual burns. Now, over here, you can see baby Doge. We are already doing our baby Doge wallet, NFT collection, all that good stuff, debit cards, exchange, arcade, NFT marketplace. So I really don't have to go over that, but I just go over it really briefly for every video so people know about our utilities that we're actually going to be getting. And going to kind of move on from this, I want to get back over here to our technicals for baby Doge. So look, overall, the overall crypto market is still trending upwards. As you can see, Bitcoin now at 44K. We got Ethereum over here at 3,100, and then we got Cardano at $1.10. We got Dogecoin down here at 13 cents. So we got Shiba Inu at 24 at 0.000024. So reason why I'm going over this is because we're still actually pumping here inside the crypto market, but it does seem like Bitcoin has hit a halt. Bitcoin has had a very hard time trying to pass 44K. So yeah, as baby Doge trends back down to 2.9, you'll probably see Bitcoin trend back down to 41 to 40K, somewhere around there. And also, this is the 15M chart. You got to remember that. So baby Doge slowly but surely trending down there. But remember, 15M chart isn't really long-term perspective. So that's just short-term. We may pull back short-term and then end up pumping huge after that. So anything can happen with that there. Now over here, this is the 1M chart. So this is the ultra short-term chart. So it's pretty much showing that there's little to no demand for people to want to buy baby Doge up here. There's not much demand for people to try to buy baby Doge around 3,260 and around 3,145. So we're going to trend slowly but surely down to where we were on the 15M chart. And that's when people are going to start buying baby Doge. Once a baby Doge reaches this area right here that I drew out pretty much from 2,950 all the way down to about 290. That's what we're going to see coming next inside of baby Doge. Now, even the 4-hour chart, I already went over that briefly at the beginning. But just to go over it a little bit more briefly, so you can see over here, there was a lot of buying for baby Doge. So even if baby Doge were to try to start pumping now, it may even get rejected at 3.2, like I said before. So we just got to watch out for this, like 2.9 all the way down here. That's a really good area. Now, we have good demand from 2,950 all the way down here to about 2,770. So even if we were to break this area here that we marked on our 15M chart, like I said, the 15M chart is pretty much a short-term chart. So we marked this whole area right here all the way from 2,950 all the way down to 2,910. But there's still more demand below there. So even if we do continue to trend downwards, we still have more demand here for baby Doge all the way from this area of 2.9 all the way down to 2.7. So we still got good amount of demand, good supports here for baby Doge. So I'm really not worried here. I think that this is really good for the crypto market. A little bit of a pullback, so then we can kind of build that momentum. Now, we got to talk about Bitcoin. I know a lot of people might not want to talk about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is a huge telltale sign for pretty much our next movements, where we're going to go next. Also with the altcoin season, like altcoin season will start, but Bitcoin will also start pumping as well. It just won't pump as much as the altcoins. The altcoins typically pump more than Bitcoin in altcoin season. Now, look over here. So look at how multiple times we got into this area here. Don't even look at this, because this was before we started the pump. But look, as we hit these supports aside of Bitcoin, literally, we immediately tried to break out here. We got rejected once. Over here, tried to break out, got rejected twice. Over here, we're trying to break out, we're getting rejected a third time. Usually the third time is the charm. So what could happen if we get rejected again at this third time? We can't pump out of this third time of Bitcoin at 44K. If we can't get above 48K, then what you will see is Bitcoin trending back down to 40K, like I mentioned before. And it's funny because I mentioned the 40K support without even kind of looking at the technicals, but now looking at the technicals, it is confirmed that 40K will be that area that we more than likely pull back to if Bitcoin continues to trend downwards. So that's what we could see if we get rejected here with Bitcoin. And then if we break 40K, just remember, all the way from 37,000 all the way down here to about 34,000, even pushing down here to 30,000. There's so much demand for Bitcoin that it's going to be very hard for Bitcoin to go below this area here of 37,000. It could go below 40,000 because there is a good amount of demand. But the second we hit 37,000, this is heavy demand area. So it's going to be hard for Bitcoin to go down that far. And even if we did, we'd probably have an immediate rise back up, just like how we did back here. Literally, the second we fell out of this $43,000 area and we fell back here to 36,000, 34,000, 33,000, the second we fell to these areas here, Bitcoin literally just started to rise and pump. So the same thing would probably end up happening again if we were to fall below these areas. Well, look, we topped out 3 times. So we're literally stopping at the same area for 3 times straight. So this is a good sign that something big could happen. Like anything can happen at this point. We just gotta hope that we get good news for crypto. We gotta hope that people are buying and holding. But like we've seen with Baby Doge, most people are buying Baby Doge. So there's a lot of good stuff going on for the crypto market here, and I'm definitely pretty bullish. Now, short term, as in like the next day or two, you may see this pullback. Typically, we also get pullbacks on the weekend sometimes. So we may see a pullback coming over the weekend. And then over the week, we may actually see some nice pumps coming into the crypto market. So yeah, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Remember though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Definitely hit that like button, subscribe though. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.